Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Iman Syarudin Sesoto, but everyone call me Iman. In this video, I will present about the dangers of smoking. The dangers of smoking are caused by various dangerous chemical compounds contained in cigarettes, starting from nicotine, which can cause addiction, and carbon monoxide, which can inhibit the supply of oxygen throughout the body. Not only that, smoking can also cause various diseases such as lung cancer, attack the heart, and so on, because it can harm the people around you. For example, if we smoke a cigarette in a public area and then throw the smoke away without realizing it, the smoke will hit people around us, inhale it because of their breath. It can cause various diseases such as cancer, lung diseases, especially for people with asthma or lung diseases. Once you smell cigarette smoke, the diseases immediately recurs. In my opinion, the prohibiting on smoking in campus is due to maintaining health, cleanliness, comfort in the campus environment. This prohibiting is also useful for maintaining the health of other people and thus not harm other people, especially those who are sensitive to cigarette smoke. This prohibiting can also improve the learning environment to be it's better as long as the KBM is running. That's why there is a smoking ban on campus. Thank you. The question word. Project by Imam Syarudin Susanto. What is question word? Question word, or what we then call question, are question word also to form question in English. Question we actually call 5W plus 1H in Indonesian, which are what, where, when, why, who, and how. However, in English, there are additional question words which, was, and who. Question words in English: who, what, where, how, why, when, whom, which, house. Who. Who is a question word in English that is asked to ask about the identity of a person or group of people involved in a particular event, activity, or context. Who function to help us identify relevant people or subject in a context. 1. Who. Example sentence. Example sentence. Who. Who is he? Who are your parents? Who won the game? Who is at the door? Dialog Who. Iman and Sweb. Who is your favorite singer? I really like Ed Sheeran. Who do you enjoy listening to? I love Bruno Mars. Who has the best voice? In your opinion, I think both of them are amazing. What? What is a question word in English that is asked to ask about objects, activities, or concepts that occur or are involved in particular event, activity, or context? 2. What example sentence? Example sentence. What? What is your favorite book? What are your hobbies? What day is it? What is your favorite color? What team is it? Dialog What Jamal and Yanto. Hi, what are you doing tonight? I am going to the cinema with my friend. What about you? I am not sure. I think I'm just going to stay at home. You can come with us if you want. Really? Of course. Thanks. Where? Where is a question word in English that is asked to ask about the location or place where an event occurred in a conversation or situation. 3. Where example sentence. Example sentence where. Where did you go on vacation last year? Where are my keys? Where is the bathroom? Where do you work? Dialogue where Fabian Iman. He. Where do you live? I live in Bekasi with Java. Are you a native there? Yes, I have lived in Bekasi since I was little. How? How is a question word in English, which is asked to ask about the why or process of an event or action involved in a situation or action. Or how example sentence. Example sentence how. How do you cook pasta? How do you bake a cake? How did you learn to ride a bike? Dialogue how Diana and Rizky. Rizky, how do you get first place? After school, I study hard every day. Wow, you are great. Thank you. Why? The word why is asked to ask the reason behind an event, action, cause, occurrence, or situation. 5. Why? Example sentence. Example sentence why. Why are you late? Why did you choose this university? Why do you want to learn English? Why are you crying? Dialog why. Adin and Dimas. He. Why are you crying? I'm sad because I was given pocket money for school. You can ask my money please. Really? Yes. When? When is a question word asked to ask about time. 6. When example sentence. Example sentence when. When does the movie start? When is your birthday? When did you arrive in Jakarta? Dialog when Santi and Aldo. When do you go to school, Aldo? I went to school after midday prayer. Later go with me, Aldo. Okay, Santi. Whom? Whom is a question word asked to ask about the person who is the object of a sentence. 7. Whom example sentence. Example sentence whom. Whom did she invite to the party? Whom do you trust the most? Whom are you waiting for? Dialog whom. Irwan and Doyok. Whom do you invite? Whom do you invite to your birthday? I want invite. Whom do you invite to your birthday? I invite invited. I invited Yanto and Ilham. Do you know who Ilham brought? He said he brought his friend, which is a question word asked to ask for a choice between several options. A which example sentence. Example sentence which color do you prefer, red or blue? Which book are you reading right now? Which movie did you watch last night? Did dialogue with Anton and Santi. Which drink do you think is suitable for break the fast? In my opinion, the break drink to break the fast is a chocolate drink. No, chocolate is too sweet. How about iced tea? Yes, iced tea is very suitable to drink when break the fast. Whose is a question word asked to ask about possession or ownership of a particular object or thing. 9. Whose example sentence. Example sentence was. Whose book is this? Whose car is parked outside? Whose idea was it to organize the event? Dialogue was Supri and Budi. Whose backpack is this? It's Tom's and whose lunch is in the fridge. That's mine. Example. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. Number 1. Song is your favorite from album? Which? Number 2. Are you crying? Why? Number 3. Car is parked outside house. Number 4. Do you chop pasta? How? Number 5. Did you arrive in Jakarta when?